Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be finally my spring slash summer inspired makeup tutorial, which is going to be this look right here. Now it does look more complicated than it really is, okay? Stay tuned for you, girl. I got you guys, I got you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any future videos that have coming up. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the first shadow that I'm going in here with is by ColourPop, and this is a Made to Last, and I'm just using this as a transition color, as usually it's basically just going to help blend all the other shadows together nicely. This next shade is also by ColourPop Cosmetics. It's called Making Moves, and what you do is you start blending it on top of your crease and you want to blend it upwards because this is the lightest shade we're going to be using today in the crease. Blending back and forward in windshield wiping motions. Don't mind messing up the lid space just because we're going back in with another shadow later on to clean it up and just make it look all crisp and perfect. So going directly in the crease, we're using the color Bitten by Makeup Geek. I wanted the darkest shade directly in the crease, and the further up you went, I wanted it a little bit lighter. So this shadow right here is actually called Stay Golden, also by ColourPop Cosmetics, and it's basically if you would pair the other two shadows, the lightest and the darkest, together as a baby. Again, just start off with the deepest one, go a little bit further up with the medium one, and then all the way at the top is the lightest one. Just try to keep it like that, and then I just went back and forth between the deepest and the lightest just to make sure everything was blended very nicely and looked very clean. So after we're done blending all the other shadows on top of the crease, we're going to spritz some flat. It doesn't have to be some particular brush, but you just want the brush to be as flat as possible. Spritz it with a little bit of Fix Plus or any setting spray of your choice. And then I went into my Kali Bible palette. They have this nice gold, rose gold type of shadow. And as you can tell, it's super pigmented, beautiful. And what you do is you just create your crease, you recreate your crease. Now with this step, honestly, just don't stress yourself. Make sure you make a clean, beautiful line, and that's pretty much all I did for the eyeshadow. After I applied some liner and some lashes, I'm going back into this transition shade and I'm just applying that on the lower lash line. Normally what you want to do is you want to do whatever you do on top of your eye also on the bottom. Yeah, you guys already know your girl was jamming like I'm always doing. Yeah, and going back into Making Moves as well and applying that also on the lower lash line. This is the lightest of the shadows that we used on top of the crease, which is like this bright orangey color. And yeah, again, I just like the way it looks when you look up front and you actually see a little bit of the color on top of your crease and also at the bottom. Lining the waterline here with my Jordana Easy Liner Plush Plum is the color, and this is actually a lip liner, but honestly you guys, it's really not that much of a difference. As long as you make sure that everything is hygienic, you should be okay. Here I'm applying some highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes, of course on the tip of the nose. You know, you want that nice Rudolph shining nose going on. I always make sure that I blend it out a little bit just so it's not too harsh. The highlight I was using on my face is actually the same highlight I'm using for the rest of my face, which is the Beaming Blush Extra Dimension Skin Finish by MAC Cosmetics. This highlight, you guys, is literally, I use this almost every day. Like, it is so freaking gorgeous and beautiful. Lining my lips with the Spice Lip Liner Pencil by Jean to Blow. And this is basically just a nude lip liner, so it's nothing special, nothing fancy. I really love the lasting power. They are super creamy, so if you can get your hands on those Jean to Blow lip liners, I would definitely recommend them. I wanted to make sure that the lips stay pretty nude just because I feel like I had some color on the eyes, and I did want to keep this look as wearable as possible so you could get away with wearing it at work or whatever. Yeah, so I think that definitely worked out. Finishing up the lips with ColourPop Cosmetics Ultra Satin Lip in the color Mess Around. You guys, beautiful, cool toned, nudish color. Their Ultra Satin Lip formula is just so freaking comfortable to wear. beautiful. Here I'm just setting my face. Of course, you gotta wave your hands to make sure everything dries beautifully. And that's it for this looks, my loves. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course. And I will talk to you guys soon, babes. Love you.